of people are doing Christmas right now. They're doing their Christmas trees, decorating, all the things. So I came up with the idea of a Christmas tree topper kit. The Christmas tree topper kit is the stuff that goes on top of your Christmas tree. I know y'all have seen my Christmas trees. I usually do something really nice and big on the top with ribbons going throughout. So I'm going to start off with my largest stem first, which is our ho 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 stem. And y'all, I'm just pretending this is the top of our tree. So I always try and make sure I run my stem right down the middle part of our trunk. Okay, so that's gonna stay there. Then I'm gonna back this up with this stem. So this stem, I kind of fluffed it out just a little bit, spreading out the ho ho ho. Can they see that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. This is it's just our little spot that's
okay.
blocking.
So like that. And now this one, I am gonna fluff these out. I'm gonna cut this tag off. I didn't cut the tag off the other one. Typical. So I'm gonna fan these out, fluff these out. And like I said, if you wanted to do both the front and the back of the tree, you would need more than one kit. So this one's coming off to the left-hand side. And once again, just trying to make sure all those stems are layered on top of each other in that center where the trunk is. Okay?
Hey, everyone.
This kit has the same colors as the garland ball they haven't used yet. It's true. So if you're planning on putting that garland in your tree,
there you go.
Perfect match.
Right. So next, I'm gonna add this little glittered ball pin right.
I don't.
Right down the center, in between the two white picks that I added. I'm gonna manipulate those. Okay, and then I'm gonna add our glittered ball spray in. So I'm just gonna do a tail, pinch it, make me a loop, pinch it, and the important part is you want to twist it. Make another loop, pinch, and twist.
Are you starting top to bottom?
Yes.
Okay.
I always start top to bottom.
Do you start bottom to top? You start top to bottom?
Yeah.
Who does bottom to top?
Just you.
No, I don't do different.
Oh.
Sometimes I do top to bottom, bottom to top. Whatever. Listen, my bows turn out just fine.
So I'm gonna make a 4-loop bow, and I am just gonna cut a length of ribbon. Then make another tail, and this one as well is gonna be another 4 loops.
I have to clean my glasses.
So pinching, then twisting. Pinch and twist. And I am making the 2.5-inch ribbon loops larger than the 1.5-inch ribbon.
I'm gonna lower that a little bit for you so you're not like making your bow up in the air.
I'm cutting this tail short. So I'm running this bow right under all of those picks. And I'm gonna tie that using my pipe cleaner around the trunk. So that's also gonna offer a little bit more security for all of those picks up there. So just dovetailing my ribbons. So I have my two tails coming down up on the top. So you see how I have all the picks coming up. So this is just front facing. If you wanted to do a full tree topper on front and back, y'all look how naked the back of this looks. So you would need 2 kits to complete the entire look front and back. And you would do the exact same thing as I did on the front on the back.